She came back, but when she was here, no, he ring and he said, "Oh my God, Sonia, it's working."
Really? The
Yes,
bald man?
yes, here come.
She cut the aloe vera, warm it on the stove and tie it on the foot. And the foot come back clear, and she was able to walk and the swelling go down.
What you saying?
Yes, and you don't see any more form of blockage like the blood clot in the foot or anything. Her foot come back perfectly well. It also allow you to look 10 years younger than your normal age if you...
Oh, I think I'm going to need that.
If you continue.
I'm going to need that. Hey guys, well, it's here again from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm commenting a special series on medicinal plants of Jamaica. And I'm starting with the aloe vera, this bad boy. And I think I ran into the perfect persons who I think can share some real good information on aloe vera. What is aloe vera? What is it used for? And how it can help you? Listen though, first up, special shout out to the following persons. These are persons who have watched my video on medicinal herbs. That video is in the description as well, where I talk about, I think, at least 60 to 100 medicinal plants of Jamaica. It's more like a summary. They were asking about aloe vera. I'm gonna give a special shout out to them. Derek G, Christian Royal, and Novelet Stevenson. Big up, big up, big up. And listen, for those of you who have been here all along, watching, commenting and sharing my videos, I say thank you. I appreciate you. If you are brand new though, I encourage you to subscribe. Join us. I am on a mission to share what I call the real Jamaica, the real people of Jamaica, the real products of Jamaica, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell notification, and that way you'll stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go! Aloe vera, guys. This is a plant. This is what it looks like. And this is right at the lady's house here. They have some baby ones, some bigger ones, some in the earth, some in pots. And these are the ladies. These are the people who are gonna share some of their information, their knowledge, their wealth of knowledge from great grandparents to parents and now to them. They have it. How to do?
Okay.
Alright, so this is just for my viewers now. Tell them who you are. This is
Peter Gay.
Peter Gay.
And this is Annette.
This is Annette.
And Joy.
Joy D. I want to big them up. Big them up for me, guys. Give them, especially this lady. These two live here. But this one actually, she's from here, but she actually took a drive to come here. Appreciate you. Up, up. Alright, and this is the bad boy I mentioned to you. This is the aloe vera. Alright, so ladies, come and talk to me now. This is the aloe vera. This is what they call a stem, right?
Yes.
Want to know more about this here? What is this? What is aloe vera and what is it? First of all, I'm gonna say what is it good for? But tell me, pretend somebody don't know it. Somebody's watching and have no idea what it is. Talk to them for me.
Well, the aloe vera is a medicinal plant found in Jamaica and also around the world. It is a species from the cactus family, and it is mostly found in every home in Jamaica, in their backyard, and so it is easily cultivated and it is easily maintained.
Yes. And why should persons bother to even keep a aloe vera in their yard?
It is good for internal. It is good for internal and external use. Such as internal, it's good for detoxing. External, you could use it on your face, hair, and yes.
And skin. What does it do though?
It make the skin glow, and it's good for sunburn. It's good for acne on the face, any form of rash on the face and the skin as well. You can just cut the aloe vera and rub it on, and allow it to stand for an hour or so, and you can continue this process until the burn or the acne or so disappear, and it also clear dark spot on the skin.
Really?
Yes, the aloe vera clear dark spot off your skin, and
Good for cuts.
it also good for cuts, and it good for circulation. Those who have circulation and like, you know, sometimes the foot or your hand or wherever it is have a black tendency for. I recall some years ago my mother had a sick foot. She could not walk on the foot, and she would have been to so many physicians and it could not heal, and she said she was going to try the aloe vera plant. And I was thinking that what mommy is really doing. But she cut the aloe vera.
You try everybody else already.
Yes, she tried every physician already, and
Yeah.
the food wouldn't just work, wouldn't work.
Yeah.
And she tried the aloe vera, and I watched her day after day. She cut the aloe vera, warm it on the stove, and tie it on the foot. And the foot come back clear, and she was able to walk, and the swelling go down.
What you say?
Yes, and you don't see any more form of blockage like the blood clot in the foot or anything. Her foot come back perfectly well.
All right. So that's one other use. Like you said, how to use it? You what do you say? You burn it. You
warm it. She cut
warm.
it. Warm it on the stove, and then she put it on the area, and then she tie it. And she will sleep overnight with that. Yes.
I think, you know, now that you talk, I'm remembering my grandmother used to do that too, you know.
Yes.
No, if you didn't say it, I probably wouldn't remember. I remember she used to heat it, heat it, and then tie it on there. But I don't remember. I can't recall what was the nature of it. What was it? Paint? Yeah, I don't remember, but I know she used to do that. All right, well, come and show. Let's show my viewers of the how what it looks like. So this is one stem.
Yes.
Right. It's a stem, right? You call it a stem? It's a stem from the plant.
Yes, from the
so
plant.
This, again, guys, this is a plant. It has multiple stems.
Yes.
I would think, yeah. And this is how it grows. This is some smaller ones here. You start here, and then multiple of them will come up out of the ground. There's another one here, some a little more vertical, some a little more longitudinal.
Yes.
Right? But this is what it looks like. And so this here now is actually one stem. Let's show, hold on a second. Actually, these are some, these I don't know, this is probably more like a defense. Some thorns, prickle stuff. So you have to be careful with this, right?
Yes.
All right, so let's cut it now and show my viewers what it looks like on the inside.
So we are cutting the aloe vera.
How does it feel though? Somebody who doesn't have any idea.
It feels slimy. It's a bit slimy.
It's like, but from the outside with the,
Yes,
with
from
the
the
skin.
outside it is smooth.
Yeah.
But when you cut it on the inside is slimy.
All
Yeah.
right. Okay. All right. So how you use it now? You cut it. Go ahead.
Yes.
So you take off that.
Yes.
Typically.
Yes.
You don't have to
because,
do.
you know, no, you don't have to.
So what are we? So this is how you use it for, like what now? Like what would you use this? What would you do with it when you do it? Like
All right. If you're going to apply this to your face,
I see what you mean.
you can just cut it like this, and then you use the gel on the inside to
to rub the face.
yes.
Probably good.
All right, we have a volunteer here, guys. We're gonna demonstrate. Just like that. But it smells, right?
Yes, it does. And some skin, it might itch a little, but it won't hurt. Might. Not everybody it give a itch, but it give a itch to some. Yeah.
And you say what it does to the face again? Make your face glow.
Yes.
Yes, and it take away the pimple and the black spot, and it also allow you to look 10 years younger than your normal age if you
Oh, I think I'm gonna need that.
If you continue.
if you continue.
I'm gonna need that.
Yes.
I want that. All right. Okay, so that's how you use it for your face, certainly, right?
Yes. And as I said before, you can warm it on the stove and tie it or burn it with whatever you have on any area that
Hold on a
is-
second. I see your sister gone down there. Was she going to wash her face?
Yes.
So you wash it off? I thought you leave it on it.
Yeah, she leave.
You're supposed to leave it on it.
Yes, you're supposed to leave it on it.
But she washing it. So why she? Oh, she just.
She just demonstrated.
Oh, demonstrated. Oh, but typically you'd leave it on there.
You
Yes,
leave
you
it for
know.
10, 15, 20 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Leave it for overnight. Yes.
Okay, okay. And your skin will glow.
Yes.
Yes.
Uh-huh. By the way, guys, we have an article on this product here. This baby here is, many call it a miracle product. It is, I mean, so rich in all kind of nutrients, antioxidants. It's antiviral, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, a whole lot of stuff in this one single plant.
And it's full of vitamin as well. Vitamin
Yes, it's
A,
good for all
C.
good for all kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Right, so I actually I've actually almost had a video. We actually have an article. Check the description right now. There's an article with a lot more information, extensive information on this product here, the aloe vera. Make sure, whatever you do, make sure to check the article to learn more about all the health benefits of this wonder product. I was gonna ask you if it's good for your face, but I think you answered. Is aloe vera good for your face? But I think you answered it already, but go ahead and answer it again.
Yes, it's good for your face. As I said, it allows you to look 10 years younger. Just apply it on your face for overnight or for a period if you're home during the day. It's up to you how long you want to keep it on the face. And if you try it and it itch, you can just cut the aloe vera. There's yellow substance that's in it when you cut it and it drain. If you put the aloe in the water, that will soak away that substance, so it will itch less.
Oh, because that's bitter too.
Yeah, yeah.
Very bitter.
Yeah.
Who know what we're talking about, guys? If you know what we're talking about, if you're familiar with aloe vera, tell us in the comments below. Are you aware of any other conditions that the aloe vera helps with outside of the face?
Well, doing a little research on it, I discovered that it also helps cancer. I didn't go deep in it, so I don't know.
Yeah. Fair enough.
What it is used for, and it can be used as a laxative as well if you are constipated, and it is used for flushing the system as a detox. Yes, you can do it if you can manage to do it just alone, or if you want to add a fruit juice to it, you can.
Actually, I'm going to ask you about that because I heard people make aloe vera juice.
Yes.
Have you ever done it?
No,
Okay.
I just do the detox with the aloe vera and an additional fruit juice.
What do you mean? So you mix it or you don't mix it?
I mix it. I blend the fruit juice with
the
the
aloe vera.
Yes.
Oh, but is that what they call the aloe vera juice? I thought that's what.
No, the one that they have on the market doesn't have any additional fruit juice.
Oh,
to
okay.
it.
Just a pure aloe vera.
Yes, and they have aloe vera water as well on the market.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
You
Okay.
can also make shakes, you could cut the aloe vera when you juice it in the get this substance from it, the gel from it.
Look at that, guys. Look at that.
Yes.
There's a staining thingy.
Yeah, when you get all this gel and put it in the blender, you could put them in the ice holder in the cube and make like a shake. When time you're making a banana shake or any shake, it go.
And just blend everything in there?
Yes, just blend everything. Just take the cube from the fridge and just use it like that.
Cool. Well, guys, I tell you, these people, they know what they're talking about. So I found them, not because of how cute they look, but because of what they do, because they actually use aloe vera in the hill here, in way deep, close to St. Elizabeth, rural. Very rural. This is St. Elizabeth?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
We're close to the border of St. James. Yes.
All right. So they actually have an interesting line of products. They call themselves Pekans Natural here. And they proudly display them here. I want you to tell me a little bit about the products that you have here, my friends. Who's going to talk?
Okay. This is
So these are all aloe vera products.
Yes.
Oh, well, let me ask you first, actually, before you show. What was the inspiration behind this
company.
this business with aloe vera? Why not pimento or flower?
Okay.
Why aloe vera?
First and foremost, both of us are hairstylists, Annette and I. But I had when I was growing up, I had a nice head of hair, man. Nice. But by growing up and processing it and getting all these things inside your hair,
You're
it
bad.
become-
You had
yeah,
bad. You had bad.
damage.
You had bad influence. Man.
Yes, bad influence on my hair, but it damaged and I will cut it and it will grow, but when it grows, it will be like have split ends, really trashy, thready, not really looking good, so thin. So I said, no, me like my black pretty hair, me need something back.
Yeah.
So me go research. And yes, of course, mommy always I use aloe vera, so me love it long time.
Yeah.
And then by doing my research, I come across that it is really good for hair growth, for the cells and stuff like that. So do more research, made a few products, made my aloe vera oil.
So you are the brainchild behind this? Or you, I know a lot of sisters involved here.
Yes, it's a family company. Of
The family
course.
company.
But
Yeah.
I went searching.
You went searching. Okay.
Yes.
And this
Yes,
this is the
and-
result.
Yes.
So this is
So I
what
came up with the oil first, the aloe vera oil, of course, and then I went on and make a butter. Then because it's a company, we go on to skin.
okay.
So we have we do a body oil and a body butter, but we only have the body oil here at the moment. Yes.
All right, so can we all right. So what will the hair growth oil will do as it says?
Yes.
Yes.
Grow your hair.
Yes.
That's all?
All yours.
Grow your hair. Grow me?
Yes.
No.
I want to tell you this story. I have a cousin from Canada, and she came here, and I give her some to take back home, and she take it back home, but she give her stepdad.
Testimonial now here, guys.
Yes.
Testimonial. Is it
Give her a
is the
stepdad
stepdad Caucasian?
No, black.
Okay.
Yeah. And when he start using it, not knowing that he will get a result. Yes, and she came back here. Yes, bald for a long time, and she came back. But when she was here, no, he ring and he said, "Oh my God, Sonia, it's working."
Really, the
yes,
bald man?
there's hair coming. Yes, so I'm telling you, it works really.
It works.
Really well.
Okay.
Yes, and
Okay. All right. So you put that in your hair, and you just rub it in your hair, like, or you wash it with your hair, or what do you do?
it can use every day. If it is if your
Just
hair
like a
is
regular
really
oil.
just like a regular oil.
Okay. Okay.
Which we'll demonstrate.
Okay.
In a while.
Yes. Okay. All right. And then that one.
That's a hair butter. Soften and growing hair. It's a moisturizer.
Can you open it? Take a look at it. Okay. So this is all. What is it? What is it? It's aloe butter. What do you use that for now? Skin more? Skin?
No, this is the hair butter.
Okay.
Yes.
So one is oil and one is butter.
Yes. Yes.
Why the difference though?
The butter, it mainly soften the hair.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that one is for growth.
Yeah, but the butter grows as well, but it mainly for softening, yes, and styling and moisturize, keep the hair moisturized. Yes.
Good.
Yes.
Good. Now you have the body oil too.
Yes, and this body oil, it smells nice. It makes you feel nice.
Yes. Okay, good. The entire body?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, cool. And all products are organic products, I presume.
Yes, no preservative.
Right here in Jamaica.
Yes.
Right here in Giant Center, this bed.
Right here in the backyard. You have some. By the way, these are just some little, I guess, demo ones. They have at home here, guys. They have the farm different. But they're all natural. 100% natural. You don't put anything.
No preservative.
Nothing special.
No,
right?
nothing
If
special.
people are interested in getting your products straight from yard, is there a number they can reach you at, contact you at? Pekans Natural, you said?
Yes,
If they want to, or if
Pekans
they want to
Natural.
learn more about your products or what you do and whatever, how can they reach you?
Well, you can call us at 596-3294 or 219-4773.
And those are those WhatsApp numbers as well?
Yes, they are also
Okay.
WhatsApp
So if person
numbers.
overseas, they can reach you. Just add the 876 code to it, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So let me ask you. And by the way, guys, this here is rosemary, and I'm told that it's one of your secret ingredients in the products, right?
Right.
It's added to the aloe vera here, and rosemary itself is a powerful plant.
Lots of benefits.
So you're getting you get a combo here when you get these products. Anyway, good work, ladies. I wanted to big you up for what you do. Thank you for preserving the heritage and showcasing another unique, authentic, truly Jamaican product. It's not by any means found only in Jamaica, but we make it our own and create our own style and stuff. The aloe vera. Big up. These are the ladies, guys. They're more sisters, I'm told, right? Yes. But I'm gonna ask Joy Lee. Joy D. Yes. Joy D. You get an easy question.
Yeah.
What makes Jamaica special?
We are a unique people. We are creative, and we are a brand for the world to continue.
Bob. All right, guys. That's it. The Pekans Natural, the ladies here promoting and doing their stuff with authentic Jamaican products. Do you have any questions for them? Right? Share it in the comments. I'll make sure they get back to it. If I can answer it, make sure they get back and answer your question. Any questions you have about the use of aloe vera or any other products here that they have, drop it in the comments below. Peter Gay, Joy D, and Annette, guys, on the Jamaican aloe vera. Remember, I want to hear from you. Let me know what you think about what they do. Share it in the comments below. There's another video you must see. 60 amazing medicinal herbs of Jamaica. In the description and in the card above. Make sure to check it out. And I'll see you in that one.